Today we are doing a hair installation. Yeah, it's the first of its kind. And yeah, before we get into the video, take a look at my skin. This skin is giving. Yeah, it's giving. Okay, it's giving. You don't need to tell me anything else. It's giving. Anyways, the position my camera is just on God. I don't know how this video is going to turn out anyways, but I hope it's something quite manageable. Welcome back to my corner, guys. My name is Yamilo and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I love to talk about books. I dream of owning a big home library someday. I am on a journey of self-development. I am trying to be a better version of myself, and I love to talk about my skin. I suffer from hormonal acne as a result of PCOS, and my skin has been traumatized for the past 2 to 3 years. And I feel like acne is like the most consistent thing in my life. I like to joke about that anyways. So today I am installing this hair. I already unboxed it. The hair is from Omo Hair Place. Omo Hair Place. Yeah, I hope you can see that. So it's a, I don't know what they call this style again. Is this short? Is it Rihanna or what? I don't remember what they call it anyways. But yeah, this is what I am going to be installing, and this is what I'm wearing. So this is machine sewn. I don't know so much about hairs anyways, but yeah, let's see how that goes. So first of all, I am going to do my makeup, and after my makeup we wear the hair. I already did my skincare routine. I applied everything I need to apply, including my sunscreen. So right now I am going to apply a primer. Why is it sounding like that? I have a very oily skin. I just finished applying my foundation, and I used the ZKL Pro Matte High Definition Foundation in the shade Mocha. Right now I am going to apply my concealer. I am using the Adventure Makeup New Improved concealer. This is in the shade Topaz. For contour, I am still using the Adventure concealer in the shade Coffee. This is very dark, very dark. So let's give my face a lift. So it's time to get my brows done. My eyebrows need some, carving, so I am just going to go in with the brow pencil a little bit, like just a little bit. I am using the same concealer to define my brow, so I just have to blend this in a little bit more. I am thinking about doing eyeshadow. This is the first time I do my eyeshadow myself. That's because I got a present. My birthday was 4 days ago, and I got presents. And eyeshadow was one of the presents I got. I didn't show you guys my eyeshadow primer, sorry about that. So I am using Adventure eyeshadow primer. I am honestly not so sure about this eyeshadow, so tell me how I did in the comments. So right now I am going to apply my eyeliner. I am still using Adventure eyeliner gel. This is it in the in black, the shade black eyeliner. So I think this is probably like one of my favorite products from Adventure. I got this for 1K. I am going to use my eyeliner. I feel like there's no Northern Girls makeup that is complete without this kajal. Right. My mascara. Okay. The mascara is not my own. I stole it because I took it without her permission. I am going to use my setting spray. This is from Kiss Beauty. I am using the Adventure lip gloss in the shade AD65 as a blush. Guys, tell me what you think about this as a blush. It's time for some powder. I am using Emerald Flex makeup. I've had this powder for over a year and I haven't had any reason to get another one yet. It's time to wear the hair. Let's see how that's gonna look on me. Let's see. So this is what the hair looks like. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Is it a look I should wear more often, or what do you think? Thank you guys for watching. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your post notification. Yeah, come and be a part of this family. Come and be a part of my You family. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Until then, bye.